Hi everyone, today we are going to do two examples of translations in the coordinate plane. A translation is a type of transformation where a figure slides to a new position while having the same size and shape. A translation, the shape does not flip or rotate or get bigger or smaller. It stays the same, just moves around. The before of a translation is called the pre-image. So that's before it's transformed. The image is the figure after it's been translated. So let's go on to our example. In the first example, we're going to translate this figure and fill in the table with the ordered pairs or coordinates of the image and the pre-image. So the pre-image is this triangle figure A, and let's fill in each of the ordered pairs. So A is 2, 3. B is 5, 2. And C is 4, 1. Now I need to translate this figure 4 units left and 2 units up. So I'm going to start with point A. I'm going to take point A and move it 4 units left and 2 units up. So point A, 4 units left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 units up brings me here. The image, we're going to use the point A prime to describe this new A prime. So that's at the point -2, +5. And now we can move on to B prime. So we're going to take the pre-image B, move it 4 left, 2 up, and that will be B prime. So B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2 up. There's my new B, which is B prime. And the ordered pair is 1, 4. So X is 1 and Y is 4. Finally, C prime, we'll take C, move it 4 left, 2 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 2. And that's my new C, so the image of C is C prime. And the ordered pair is 0, 3. So now I can draw my new figure, which is the image. And I'm just going to call it B, so it's like shape B, figure B. And there it is. We took the first, the pre-image, moved it 4 units left, 2 units up, and now it's an image of that. All right, next example, we'll describe the translation and fill in the table. So now I have the two figures, the pre-image and the image, and I want to describe it. So how did it move? Let's start with the pre-image. So point A is -4, +2. And A prime is going to be the corresponding point on the image. So that would be this point here is A prime. A prime is 2, -3. All right, point B on the pre-image is -2, +4. And B prime will be the corresponding point. So this upper right corner. And that point is 4, -1. Point C on the pre-image is -4, 0. And point C on the image is -2, or sorry, +2, -5. And finally, point D on the pre-image is -1, +2. And D prime on the image is +4, -1. Now I want to describe this. So how did we get from A to A prime? Well, I'm going to start at point A and kind of just draw how do I get to A prime. So starting at A, I go down 1, down 2, down 3, down 4, down 5. So I went down 5 or -5. And then I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. So down 5, 6 to the right. The figure is translated 5 units down and 6 units right. And that's how I would describe the movement of the figure. 5 units down, 6 to the right. All right, that is all.